Certainly names is expecting too much.
The debate over where the line should be drawn between personal safety and privacy is heating up with the return of school. Some parents concerned they aren't getting what they need to make informed decisions, while others say this is no different from any other disease when it comes to confidentiality.
The current reporting from the government is inadequate, and it's inconsistent from region to region. It's inconsistent from school to school.
There are concerns about how fast information is released and the lack of information, like names, classrooms, dates, and times.
Obviously, I don't think it should be broadcast with names and down to the minute, but in these individual conversations, I think it's valid that parents want to know down to the day and the morning or afternoon that the last encounter of somebody that tested positive. That's absolutely normal, and I don't see how that couldn't be done on a one-to-one basis.
But as serious as it is when it comes to COVID-19, medical privacy is still the same as any other medical situation.
Because of course, even pre-COVID, public health officials were doing this in the context of whooping cough and measles and other infectious diseases that may have affected schools. And it is a balance that has to be struck between privacy and providing enough information. And I think something like giving the child's name isn't necessary in order to achieve that goal of protecting public health.
Not only do they have to worry about stigmatizing people who contract COVID-19, current privacy laws in Canada are clear. No more information than is necessary is to be released to achieve the goal of contact tracing.
Generally speaking, where you can use de-identified information, you're to disclose that de-identified information over information with identifying details.
A hard sell for some parents who have shaken trust in the current reporting systems.
They want the most amount of information possible. They almost want to know too much because they don't feel like they have any control, obviously, during a pandemic.
In Calgary, Jonathan Muma, City News.